She is. Bright and early. So one thing that we've been talking about doing is painting the truck. What color should we paint her? Now, even though she's from Texas, she's showing her age a bit. She's got some paint peeling off here. So, do you think we should paint her pink? Neon green? Definitely needs a new tailgate. Looking a little rough today, lady. You'll be looking a lot better afterwards. I'm gonna get some new wheels put on this bad girl. These are pretty worn. Actually, this tire looks pretty good here. The one on the back looks a little bit more worn. Definitely needs a cleanup job. So what, you thinking bright pink? Bright green? Bright blue? It's gotta be something bright, something eye-catching.